XCEL and industrial assets bring sustainable wealth appreciation. Hail all industrial investors and business owners. I am Wei Yua NHONG, engaged in industrial property matching and transaction services across the GRE 8R Bay, RA. Today, I will introduce a detached factory compound with complete state-owned double certificates located in Longhua Shenzhen. The land covers 10,000 square meters, among which 4,800 square meters are registered on property certificates. The total building area reaches 15,500 square meters, including 9,400 square meters of certified factory (SBA CE) and 2,100 square meters of dormitory buildings (BIDES). There are 4,000 square meters of single-story steel structure, workshops offered as a free gift, with 7 meters of eave height. The property is equipped with an 800 kVA transformer and 2 2-ton cargo elevators. ITS land use right is valid until the year 2049, and the factory is currently leased out. Thai S independent compound boasts complete formal property documents, and the transaction can be completed via equity transfer with smooth procedures. The matching power supply and cargo elevators fully satisfy the production and logistics demands of manufacturing and warehousing enterprises. The attached single-layer steel structure (SBA CE) greatly expands usable area without extra cost, bringing great cost advantages for factory operation. The total selling price is 88 million RMB, and the owner sincerely intends to sell this property. IT can generate steady rental income if you keep leasing it, or you can take over the whole compound for your own enterprise headquarters and production base. All interested buyers are welcome to book an on-site inspection for detailed negotiation. I am Wei Yua NG. You can reach me at +8614741850. See you next time.